Number 1. TikTok.
TikTok was a popular short-form, 15 seconds, video streaming and sharing app, with over 100 million users. The app allowed users a plethora of music and dialogue options, with which they could lip-sync and make funny or entertaining videos.
Number 2. Instagram. Instagram is a free photo and video sharing app, available on iPhone and Android. People can upload photos or videos to our service and share them with their followers, or with a select group of friends. They can also view, comment and like posts shared by their friends on Instagram. Anyone 13 and older can create an account by registering an email address and selecting a username. Number 3. Facebook. Facebook is a social networking site that makes it easy for you to connect and share with family and friends online. Originally designed for college students, Facebook was created in 2004 by Mark Zuckerberg while he was enrolled at Harvard University. By 2006, anyone over the age of 13 with a valid email address could join Facebook. Today, Facebook is the world's largest social network, with more than 1 billion users worldwide. Number 4. WhatsApp. WhatsApp is free to download Messenger app for smartphones. WhatsApp uses the internet to send messages, images, audio or video. The service is very similar to text messaging services. However, because WhatsApp uses the internet to send messages, the cost of using WhatsApp is significantly less than texting. You can also use WhatsApp on your desktop. Simply go to the WhatsApp website and download it to Mac or Windows. It is popular with teenagers because of features like group chatting, voice messages and location sharing. Number 5. Snapchat. Snapchat is an American multimedia instant messaging app and service developed by Snap Incorporated, originally Snapchat Incorporated. One of the principal features of Snapchat is that pictures and messages are usually only available for a short time, before they become inaccessible to their recipients. Number 6. Messenger. Messenger is a proprietary instant messaging app and platform developed by Meta Platforms. Originally developed as Facebook Chat in 2008, the company revamped its messaging service in 2010, released standalone iOS and Android apps in 2011, and released standalone Facebook portal hardware for messenger calling in 2018. Number 7. Telegram. Telegram lets you access your chats from multiple devices. Fast. Telegram delivers messages faster than any other application. Telegram is a globally accessible freemium, cross-platform, cloud-based instant messaging service. The service also provides optional end-to-end encrypted chats and video calling, VoIP, file sharing and several other features. It was launched for iOS on August 14, 2013 and Android on October 20, 2013.